Hi friends, this is Dr. Apurv Mehra and thank you very much for the love that you shower for Monday motivation. And today my topic is somehow related to overall preparation for anything in life, right? So I named it as take care. You know, what I believe is, let's take that we are preparing ourselves for a mountain climb, okay? So when you want to prepare yourself for a mountain climb, there are different steps for doing that. Number one, you decide the date of climb, right? You have a look at the weather conditions on that day. Then you go for the camp that is there. Whenever you go for a camp for the climb, they will always do your checkup, the physical checkup, which is extremely important. Then they will also look at that are you understanding the instructions to go for the climb. That's called as the mental stability. And the third is a team game. It's not just one man climb. It's a team game to take care of the entire process. So as you go through it, I divided this into four parts. Four parts. Number one is your physical setup. Number two is your mental setup. Number three is your social setup. And number four is your aim. Many a times we go and just remember our aim. We forget that for that climb, I have to be physically fit. I need to have the mental balance. I need to understand the instructions and go together. And then only the climb can take place. If any one thing is not okay, I am going to haywire. It is an arrow which has no direction to hit on. Let's talk about the physical aspect. Friends, while chasing or trying to chase something, we often neglect our physical health. For physical health, I mean to say two things which are of paramount importance are eat well, sleep well. You know, eating and sleeping are two things which are prerequisite for a human brain and human body. If you compromise on the same, finally your body will bear the brunt, and for you to do anything in life will be practically impossible. People destroy their health to earn money and then they use that money to recreate that health. It doesn't make any sense. So this is very important that you take two more things into it which will help you. For me, the third one is a meditation. Meditation is something that relaxes your mind, relaxes your body. So meditation will come into both the places, mental health and also in physical health. And the last thing which I believe is dedicate some time for exercise or walk. In fact, we say that walk is physical health, walk and talk is mental health. Walk and talk is also a social health. So why not to go for a walk with one of your best friends every evening or with your better half or with your parents, but do that for 30 minutes. It is going to help you develop relationships socially, help you have a calm mind to solve bigger things, and then it is going to keep your body fit, right? In fact, it is very important for a person to keep talking to have a good mental and a social health. When I look into it in a different way, we decide हम फोड़ देंगे, हम कर देंगे, हम बदल देंगे. That decision comes into the mental space. But then, let that decision not eat away your calm. It is extremely important that you have a shant dimag, a calm mind and passion in the heart. लोग उल्टा करते हैं. दिल में आग नहीं होती, दिमाग जल रहा होता है. It doesn't help. So it's very important to calm your mind. And to calm your mind, I believe the biggest tool is meditation and talking. When you talk about the social preparation for taking care, make sure you have the right kind of surrounding. The people around you are very important. You are sum total of 5 individuals that you talk to the most. Make sure that these 5 individuals are the right kind of people. And then finally, if you have this physical, mental, and social balance, you will be able to achieve your aims. And you realize that if these three things are there, no, then your aims, your targets, everything else is important, but then it is not something your life roots around. I'll give you an example. Many a times, we dream of something that we wish to have. We can't have. And here comes a beautiful line that Shri Harivansh Rai Bachchan ji wrote. जब आपके मन का हो तो अच्छा, जब आपके मन का ना हो तो और भी अच्छा. So whenever what you wish to have, God grants it, it's good. If not, it's better. Because जब आपके मन का नहीं होता, तो फिर वो ऊपर वाले के मन का होता है और वो और भी अच्छा होता है. So then, good God above is thinking bigger for you. So one rejection is not denial. It is just a delay in something bigger coming up. So have that physical, mental, and social setup in your brain to get ready for something bigger. One failure does not define you as a failure. It is just another thing. It's a learning process. Even I did not clear my entrance exams in first go. I don't think so that there's something wrong with it. It's very natural. In fact, I take it other way around. Very few are fortunate to go through in the first go. It's okay. But then, did I lose to the people eventually who cleared in the first go? I don't think so. It is something which is wrong. What I believe is it is your mindset which is more important to be balanced, to understand it's a long marathon and not 100-meter dash. And for this life, which is a marathon, for running it well, you have to take care. So friends, take care of your physical, take care of your mental, take care of your social balance. Then only you can root for anything which is bigger, your aims, your goals, your dreams. Thank you very much.